Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Chief Reddy Savi, Ambassador of Denmark to India, met Mansukh Mandavia and discussed at length and mutual area of cooperation India-Denmark, especially in shipbuilding and ship recycling and maritime sector. JNPT under the Rail Connectivity Development Project laying a track of a length of 365 kilometers to enhance the JN ports rail connectivity. Total cost of the project is 1.23 billion US dollars. New Mangalore Port Trust Dr. A.V. Ramana, Chairman, addressing the National E-Conference on Boosting Exports through virtual conference organized by Confederation of Indian Industries. New Mangalore Port Trust Chairman congratulated the officers of Marine Department handling a large vessel which called it port. It is a Cape-size vessel MV Cape Keystone of 293 meters length overall and with 45 meters beam. The vessel was carrying coal for Mangalore Coal Terminal Private Limited. GSW berths at berth number 16, which was largest vessel ever handled. Marine Aids to Navigation Bill 2020 passed in Lok Sabha. It proposed to incorporate and upgrade the legal framework for new technology used in vehicle navigation like radars, vessel traffic service, and long range identification. SM Port to increase asset utilization received first domestic container racks on account of Adani Logistics Limited handled by Paragon Logistics and Infra Service at underutilized GCD Yard Slidings Kolkata dock system. Deen Dayal Port Trust Port Facilities Security Advisory Committee meeting held under the chairmanship of DPT Chairman Shri S.K. Mehta to discuss issues related to strengthening of security measures in the port participating in operational areas. All security agencies and port users attended the meeting. JNPT continues to live up to its commitment towards the environment with the installation of solar panels on rooftop of its building. This measures has been deployed for energy efficiency since renewable energy is a critical component for reducing air emission footprints. In another news, Chief Vigilance Officer Shri Anil S.K. Ramkhi IRSS helmed an interactive training section on preventive vigilance with the aim to provide inputs and insights on the topics through group discussion and case studies. Met the delegation led by Shri Mekapati Gautam, Minister of Industries, Commerce and IT and Skill Development, Andhra Pradesh. I detailed discussions about investment opportunities regarding coastal development and waterways projects in Andhra Pradesh and requested him to extend Government of India financial support to upcoming Ramayapatnam port and fishing harbors in Andhra Pradesh. On 17th March 2021, Chennai port handled 2,83,808 tons of cargo, recording its highest throughput in a day in the last 12 years. Transportation along Indian coastline, new routes identified for the commencement of RoRo and RoRo-Pax ferry service. It will decongest rail and roads. Incentives like creation of jobs, economy and tourism boost sustainability and conservation. India is now a leading destination for the recycling of ships. Adhering to better safety protocols, India's shipping recycling capacity will be doubled by 2024 with the aim to promote Make in India and Make for World for setting up a ship recycling facilities center. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.